The 2015 Hyundai Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 mpg. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, stability control, anti-lock braking system, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, bucket seats, trip computer, CD player, MP3 player, power windows, security system, child safety locks. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.